Pingree, Detroit, upcycling leather into footwear, bags, home goods, and so much more.
In fact, they've used over 23 tons of car seat and steering wheel leather from landfills since 2015. I did not know that either. Fox News' Ingrid Kelly joins us now from Detroit warehouse this morning. Good morning again, Ingrid.
Hey, well, good morning, guys. You know, here at Pingree, Detroit, everything is made with love and often by a veteran. Joining me now is Rayne Rose. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, and I understand there are quite a few vets in your family.
Yes, my dad was a vet, my brother was a vet, and my fiance was a vet. Was in the Marines.
Wow.
Once a Marine, always a Marine.
That's right, Semper Fi.
Yes.
So let's talk about this. How important is it for you to work for a company that vets play such a pivotal role?
It's very important because it also works along with the community.
Yes, yes. So, Rayne, what exactly are you doing right now? Because I understand you have a major role here.
I am working on the Pingree purse. This is the Pingree purse.
That is beautiful.
And I'm working on the lining of it. And all the lining materials are made out of natural fabrics.
Wow. And it shows, I mean, the handcrafting, all the details on this bag, it is major. And you're making this right from scratch.
Right from scratch.
Talk to me a little bit about what goes into this. How many days? What does it take?
It takes a couple of days, about 2 days, to make each purse.
Wow.
And everything is quality.
I see
made
that.
from scratch. And then this goes in the purse.
Like that?
Like this. After I'm finished making it.
Wow. Nice.
And this is the finished product.
Right here that we see here. You know what? Talk to me a little bit about your job and the mission here at Pingree, Detroit. Often, obviously, you guys are Detroiters. There's vets. You use material from old vehicles.
Upcycled.
Correct. Upcycled, preventing them from going into landfills. How important is that for you, Rayne?
That's very important for me, because we start from the leathers,
right,
and we have them cut, let's say clicked, and afterwards we put them all together.
Right, exactly. And obviously, just by the attention and everything that you're doing right here, people, when they purchase these items, they're supporting so much. I mean, obviously they're getting a quality item, but talk to me a little bit about what else they're supporting.
They're supporting from items, leathers being put in the landfill. And each product, after it's made, gets one of our maker cards.
Love it.
That goes onto each item.
Exactly. What would you say to someone out there? You know, obviously these make great. We've got major holidays coming up,
yes,
right? You know, Christmas. And talk to me, why is this such a great gift?
This is a great gift because, first of all, it's one of a kind.
Amen.
Yes.
Yes.
And second of all, it lasts forever, for a long time.
Yeah.
So it's a great gift to give to
your loved one.
Your
exactly.
loved one.
Even
yes.
for yourself. And just before we go, obviously you're going to be supporting so many great missions that Pingree is involved in, whether it be bringing vets in and giving them employment opportunities. Detroiters, there's room for everyone. And coming up, we're going to talk about some of those employment opportunities. So don't go away. Back to you guys in the studio.